If you want to transfer data from your old phone to Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then in that case, first of all, we're gonna open settings on our Motorola Edge 70 Pro. Then in here, we should be able to scroll down a little bit and you want to find backup or copy data. Then in here, we have copy data using Android switch. So we're gonna go over here and then we're gonna press start in the bottom right corner. And then we need to choose if you want to transfer data from an Android device or iPhone or iPad. Now, it is also possible that you will see this little pop-up on your old phone that you want to copy to new device. So if you do have that, then you can just tap on start and you can continue. In my case, I'm just going to follow whatever we have in here. So let's say that this pop-up doesn't show up. You have this QR code that we can scan on your old phone. And then we need to wait for the connection to happen. So of course, both devices should be able to connect. And then you can copy apps and data. So we can just tap on the next over here and just wait a couple of seconds. And now you can just choose whatever you want to copy. So as you can see, the list is quite long. You can pretty much transfer everything that you want to transfer, like photos and videos, messages, apps, and so on and so forth. In the case of apps, you can also go into these apps and you can choose whatever you want to copy. So we have a list over here. You can decide individually which apps you want to transfer, and then once you are ready, just tap on the copy button over here and you should be able to transfer everything. Keep in mind that the more data you have to transfer, the longer it's going to take to do so. Now, in case you want to transfer data from iPhone to Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then it is pretty similar. Of course, we're gonna go to copy data using Android switch, but this time we need to download the Android switch app on our iPhone. So we're gonna go to the App Store. Then in here, let's just use the search option and you can simply search for Android switch. There we go. Of course, we need to download this app over here. And once you download this app, you can open it. So we're going to be prepared over here. Then we're going to tap on start on our Motorola. And then we want to choose iPhone or iPad. Wait a couple of seconds. Then we're going to go next, of course. And you have the option to connect both devices together with a cable. So if you have USB-C to Lightning port cable, or if your iPhone already has USB-C port, then of course you can use a cable to transfer data. But if you want to, you can do this wirelessly as well. So over here we can choose cable doesn't fit. Then we can copy without cable. Then we have this QR code. So we're gonna tap on copy data on our iPhone. You might see a prompt to join to a Wi-Fi network, but we're gonna actually cancel simply because here we have the name of the hotspot that is created and it doesn't match. Most of the time it doesn't match, so we're gonna cancel that. And don't worry, we can just tap on the try again and then we can scan the QR code. There is also a possibility that you will have the QR code scanner immediately, so you won't have this prompt. And that is also completely fine, but in case it happens, then of course you can just cancel that, then retry, and then you should definitely get the QR code scanner. So now we just need to wait for the connection to be established, of course. Then on your iPhone, you can choose whatever you want to transfer. Keep in mind that some data cannot be transferred, like for example apps, because apps on iOS are built in a different way than on Android. So you have to download apps manually from the Play Store, for example, on your Motorola Edge 70 Pro. And once you decide what you want to transfer, you can just, of course, continue. And that is pretty much it. And then just wait for the transfer to be done. Leave a like and subscribe.